Hi, this is Jeff with Birder's Diary. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how, with the new version of Birder's Diary, version 4.1, to upload sightings from Birder's Diary to eBird and then do the converse. Download them from eBird and import them into Birder's Diary. It's very simple with version 4.1. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is I've got some sightings, some practice sightings that I created here at my home for the species I usually see here. So what we're going to do first is we're going to upload those sightings to eBird. First thing we want to do is display those sightings in View Edit. So I bring them up. I created a sample observer for this purpose, the eBird observer. I'm using the Clemens taxonomic list. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. So let's pull up those sightings. I'll click Continue. Here we go. We've got 6 records of sightings that we're going to upload to eBird. Now if we just wanted to upload a few, I'd come through here and just select a couple like that and that and that and leave those unselected. But in fact I want to upload all of these, so I'm just going to use the Select All button. Selects all. Now there's a new button here in the View and Edit window. It's the Export Selected Records to eBird Import Format. So I'm going to click on that. Here we go. Protocol. I was just sitting here in my office and counting the birds. So stationary, number of observers myself. Start time, 11:40 a.m. Duration, took 5 minutes to record those sightings. Country, United States. State, Colorado. Are you reporting all species? Yes. Use min count. That's fine. I've got them both set to the same value. Count of 1 should be used as present. Well, over here, you can see that I've got a couple with count of 1, but that was actually how many I saw. Exactly 1. So no, I want the count of 1 to actually mean the count of 1. Do you want to include your sighting comments in export? Yes, we do. Do you have any checklist comments? Nope. Let's click on Export Sightings. Now for this purpose, I'll create a little file called BD Export for eBird Upload. Let's just use that one. I'm going to override it, replace it. There it is. Now it's exported those sightings to this file, and just ask you if you'd like to open the file with your default viewer editor for that file type, CSV. I'll show you what it looks like. You'll typically say no, but some people may want to open this up to make some changes, do whatnot. But here you can see all my sightings are for home, and so on, okay, within Colorado and the US. So that's what eBird needs. So we'll just close that back out. No need to look at that. No need to save anything. Great, we're done with that. So now the next thing you want to do is go to the eBird site. So you're just going to open a browser to this website. And here we are. It takes you right to the eBird homepage. As an eBird user, you want to go to My eBird. Okay? Log in if you're not already logged in. This brings you to My eBird homepage. And you can see if you scroll down here on the right, there's a link for Import Data. So we're going to import that data. Click on Import Data. Choose your file. We're going to choose the file we just created, BD Export for eBird Upload. I click OK. This is an eBird record format. Okay, so you want to select that. Click on Import File. File was successfully imported. We're waiting on processing. Now you're going to get some messages if there are issues. 1 checklists are not ready. 1 locations are unknown to us. So all you got to do is fix it. Just follow the instructions here. Many of you probably know how to do this already, but you can fix the locations right here. And what it needs to know is home. Where does home? Okay? So you want to match home to a location. So click on this. Choose locations, one of my locations. I previously uploaded from some apps, and so I'm going to choose my home. Match location, and apply fix. And you're done. 1 location's fixed, 1 checklist submitted. How easy was that? That was extremely easy. We're done with that part. Now, let's go back to my eBird, because we want to import those same sightings. We want to export them out of eBird and import them into Birder's Diary. Doesn't take but a couple minutes. Okay, so here we are back on my eBird page. And let's manage my checklist. We click on that, and we're going to download the one I just entered, which is this one right here. So I click on that. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on the download link. And you can see what happens right here in the browser, that it downloads it and saves it. I'm using Google Chrome. Different browsers save files different ways. Mine, in this example, will always download it to the downloads file. So I want to use that one to import. So let's go back to Birder's Diary. Here we are. We're going to close this. We're going to close this. Now we're going to import eBird Sightings. So that's File, Import Export. Choose the Sightings tab. Choose Import Sightings from eBird formatted CSV. Taxonomy to use, Clements, 15. We're going to use eBird Observer, and what this should do is duplicate all of our sightings in this example. Import. There it is. That's the one right there. So let's select it and open it. Now, it wants to know, we've got to match again, coming back in. What is this location, and what does it match to in my database? So I'm going to specify an existing location as the match for this. Of course, it's my location defined as home. Key that in, click Continue. 6 sightings added out of 6. That was it. It's going to rebuild the location performance table. I hope you found this useful. Send any feedback to support@birdersdiary.com. Thank you and have a great day.